Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Shahidul's Education Group. So this is Shahidul Islam's. I'm gonna show you important tasks for you that will be very helpful in listenings. So let's see first the days of the week: Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So keep in mind all of the words will be with capital letter. Now we learn the months of the year. So as you can see clearly all of the names of the months. So you have to be very sure that you are writing well. So now we'll see the money related words. So we have to memorize properly all of these like cash, debit, credit, check, in advance, annual fee, monthly, membership, interest rates, deposit, tuitions, fees, poverty, bank statement, money management, current account, students account, withdraw, low risk investments, mortgages, grace period, budget deficit, retail voucher, coupon, counterfeit money, public money, taxpayers' money, debt, interest-free credit, purchase, partial refunds, annuity, non-refundable, MasterCard, Visa, distribution cost, income, finance, department, family finance, duty-free store, সাবজেক্ট হিসাবে যে সমস্ত ভোকাবুলারিগুলো বসে সায়েন্স, পলিটিক্স, হিস্ট্রি, বায়োলজি, আর্কিটেকচার, ল, জিওগ্রাফি, আর্কিওলজি, লিটারেচার, বিজনেস ম্যানেজমেন্ট, এগ্রিকালচার, স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স, ম্যাথমেটিক্স, লজিক, ফিজিক্স, সাইকোলজি, anthropology, economics, philosophy, performing arts, visual arts, chemistry, humanities, etc. Now in this task we will learn some things the studying at college or universities related words. So dear, have to be careful writing like these words: course outlines, group discussions, handout, written work, report writing, research, proofreading, experiment, experience, reference, textbook, dictionary, laptop, printer, student's advisor, teamwork, module, topic, assessment, library, department, computer center, classroom, lecture, tutor, main hall, attendance, deadline, give a talk, speech, computer laboratory, certificate, diploma, placement test, overseas students, full-time, facilities, college, dining room, specialist, knowledge, international, accommodation, homestay, primary, secondary, media room, resources room, staff, commencement, dissertation, leaflet, faculty, pencil, feedback, tasks, outcomes, advanced, introductory, extra background, higher education, guidelines, post-secondary, supervisor, bachelor degree, compounds, vocabulary. So learn properly from here. Student support services, students retention, publications, foreign students, casual, school renewal, register office, stationery. So guys, learn these words. Now we'll see the natural related words: fields, footbridge, environment, waterfall, river, mountain, forest, coast, reef, lake, village, hill, cliff, island, peninsula. So try to learn from here and use it properly in your listenings. Earthquake, avalanche, tornado, typhoon, desertifications, volcano, disaster, catastrophe, pond, jungle, oasis, dam, canyon. So both of these words are repeated again and again in the listening. So now we'll gonna learn some marketing related words: catalog, interview, newsletter, competition, TV program, strategies, research method, entertainment industry, leadership, management, display, products, customers, special offer, collecting data, questionnaire, survey, mass media. So you are seeing the most important words here: statistics, profit, margin, hold, business card, training, trainee, merchandise, manufacture, recruitment. Now you can see the health related words. What is most of the times repeated in listenings. So if you don't know properly this kind of words, so if you hear during their words, you can't catch up their words, what they are gonna say. So try to learn both of these words, and when you listen these words, it will be very helpful. Now we'll see the some differences numbers: 11, 12, and 13 and 30, 14 and 40, 15 and 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. Both of them are very important words. So I have to be careful all of these words during writings. So thanks for watching this video. See you in another class. Keep well. Allah Hafiz.